morning.
Back again with my vlog.
About to eat some breakfast. Yeah, boy.
You sound sick. Are you sick?
No, you?
Yes.
Really?
Yes, I've been sick.
Yeah, boy. Bon appetit. Yeah, boy. Bon appetit.
Put that crap away, please,
It will be away.
so we can eat.
Just got back from lunch. Been out here bringing the old chairs down to the barn. And we got stuck in here. It started raining, so we started just organizing, putting some more stuff up. Pretty much done, I'll say. That noise. Oh. But coming along, coming along. I still think we got more stuff. I don't know where exactly. It was a mess. But I didn't want to blow or clean anything in here because I had the bar through the hand causing a bunch of dust.
I put fresh sauce on yours, Dad. Look, this.
Recording?
Yeah.
You are not posting it. Okay.
What?
I got stuck in the washer.
How in the world did you get stuck in the washer?
Huh?
How did you get stuck in the washer?
My head got wedged in between the plastic thing and the outer rings, and now I'm stuck in the washer.
Are you still stuck in there?
Yeah?
Oh, great. Come see. I'm old. My feet hurt. I can't be walking. I'm gonna get you some salad tongs. Wow.
Oh, money.
Now you found money in there?
Yeah. Oh, I can't get out.
Don't hurt you.
Oh, my stomach. For money.
Oh, nice. Oh, you can keep it for getting stuck in the washer.
What the heck?
What do we do?
Want you to like and subscribe and give us a comment down below. Yeah, I'll see you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow.
Thank you. He brought me my pills, a drink. He's such a good kid.
He ain't bring me no drink.
Did you ask?
Yes.
No. You? Yeah.
No, he just loves me.
Yeah.